Alright, hello guys, this is a video to show you how to change a crankshaft position sensor of the Kia Carens 2008 2.0. So first of all, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just trying to do it by myself, you know, to save some money. And it was quite challenging because I was reading and actually I even got a manual of this car. It was telling me that the sensor was in another place. I couldn't find it. I think I got the wrong manual. I don't know. Remember that these cars could be in America, I think in United States they're called Kia Rondo. So however, so I just remove it. I'm gonna show you the crankshaft position sensor. So I have is here on the back. I have to remove this. Just 4 bolts, a bit tight. Also the connector, so this side of the crankshaft position sensor goes it here, so it will be the third one. So thing is that you have to remove this also on the back, so it will be really handy if you had a mirror like that to check on it. But well, I think the light is just going, but it's behind them, so you just follow the lead. Of course it's not easy to see. You see it goes in between this and this protection metal thing, so you have to remove this one. I think this one, it was a bolt with a number 10 one, and the other one is number 12. The crankshaft, this bolt is number 10. So well guys, trying to help. Comment if you like it. This is my first video. I think I will get better. I will start to do my stuff by myself, so I hope you like it, and well, good luck guys.